Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? Oh, I'm at home, and I am going to show you how to make another TikTok craft. And I know what you're saying, oi, every day with the TikTok! But it's been very educational to me, and therefore to you. So we're going to make a wreath out of ornaments. So we have couple of different size ornaments, different kinds. Got some little bitty guys, got some fancy guys. Actually, they look like that. They got some fancy guys. We got some medium sized ones here, and then we got some not huge, but you know, regular size ones. And we are going to put these on a wire hanger.
No more wire hangers.
Well, this is how we're going to use all those wire hangers, so you do not put your closet wire hangers, so Mommy Dearest will not beat you with one. So we're going to use this wire hanger, and it's going to be super easy, super cheap. Sweet. I promise you. But we got to shape this bugger into a shape.
Okay.
Into a round. So first you want to twist it.
Do you need a pair of pliers or anything?
I'm doing this wrong.
Okay. Yeah, there you go.
See? See what happens when you use your smarticle particles? So this has to be somewhat of a round circle.
Roundish shape.
Yeah. There we go.
There you go.
Okay. So I want to put one of these bigger guys on the bottom because he's cool. Now I made one of these with dollar store ornaments, and well, and here's a picture of it. And now I'm going. It doesn't really match my tastes. It does match our fireplace, but I wanted to make a mid-century modern one because I like the mid-century modern look, especially at Christmas time. That's why we have a aqua-colored room, kind of. And even though this craft does not require any glue or paint, we got smart and put a cover on our dining room table. And this is from the dollar store, and it's all, you know, it's like that picnic table stuff. So
kind of a vinyl.
Yeah. Once again, using our smarticle particles, but just a couple of videos too late. Both glue and paint came off. Okay, so yeah, just weed it, put it through. Woo! Look at that.
It's a necklace.
And now I'm going to open up this one. Alright, we got it open. This one open. And so I think my next one I'm going to put on here is going to be pink. Pink colored on this one. Wee.
Alright.
So, and then we can just put it like so, like that. But, and then I'm gonna put a little guy, a little cream colored one in there. And we're gonna move that one. So they're kind of, and once these all get kind of squished together, you know, it'll move them closer together, and they'll find their little way. They'll find their little spot.
So what do you just kind of just do kind of like maybe like one or two big ones and then one or two small ones?
Yeah, whatever you feel. There's really no rhyme or reason to it. Just whatever you think looks best.
All right.
Whatever color you want. I have 4 of these fancy ones, so I'm thinking about putting them in the 4 corners, or the 4,
Yeah.
12, 3, 6, and 9.
Okay.
So,
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So we'll speed you up, and everybody can enjoy watching you make this thing, and then
I hope it looks as nice as the gold one that I made.
yeah, but because that one was really good.
Yeah, and those were dollar store ornaments. The
Yeah.
only problem with dollar store ornaments is they only had gold and red.
Yeah, gold and red, and that was it.
Right, and I wanted
You wanted the more, all the different colors.
Yeah, see, to see how I've pushed them together. Now they're like, let's put a green one on there.
And you can go from either side. You just gotta.
Right, I'm doing this side first, and then I'll move on to the next side.
It works best when your tongue is out.
Everything works best when your tongue is out.
Okay.
It's very fancy. And now I also have itty bitties here.
All right. Okay. So we'll have you put an itty bitty on there, and then.
Yeah, but I want.
But you can, you have to let them each come out with the different colors and stuff.
Thirsty work. So here we go. It's all done. And I just need to put the wires back together.
Hi everyone.
And in our experience, me with tools is not such a good idea. So Matt's going to do it.
So you just need either a pair of needle nose pliers or just a little pair of pliers.
Hold on.
Hold on.
I want to put a nut. I think I can put maybe another one here.
Gonna twist it back around.
Yep. But you're going to use the hook of the hanger as your hook.
Yep. Okay, let's see if I can do this.
Want me to hold this like this?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Don't break my ornaments.
I'll try not to.
These aren't like the plastic ones. Oh!
No, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, oh, you just keep holding what you're holding.
Okay.
I need to straighten this out so I can twist it around.
I really, really like these colors.
Yeah,
They're very
really pretty.
mid-century modern Christmas. You're doing a good job.
Thanks, babe. It's okay. It just they're just falling off the. This happened with the last one. Remember? This won't twist. Okay. Just start spinning.
Oh.
Keep going.
What just happened?
Nothing. It slipped out.
Is it good?
I think it's good. Yeah. Let's just like that. Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, I got glitter all over me.
Okay. Now what happened? Just so people know,
They came off the little.
they came off a little. Here, hold this. This part came off the actual.
And it happened
Ornament.
last time, and I think it's
Yeah.
because I overload them.
So you just gotta press them back on.
I don't even know where the other ones are. They fell off.
There was two big ones like this. So I can't locate them. Actually, I don't even think you need them.
Nope, I think this is.
Yeah, I think it looks good just like that. So you're fine. Okay.
So there you go.
That is
There
pretty.
is our new wreath. And
That's perfect.
yeah.
All right, cool. And then I'll get a picture of it hanging up.
Now you could put a bow here. I don't have one.
Yeah,
But you could put a bow here.
maybe we should get a bow, and then we'll go to the store. We'll get a bow, and then I'll take a picture of it.
Okay.
We can just go to the dollar store for a bow.
Yeah, I just don't want to go to the dollar store again.
Okay, I know.
We're there all the time.
Okay, so we replaced the dollar store wreath that we made, and we put the new one, and it looks gorgeous up here, doesn't it? Yeah, I like it. I don't know if anybody saw this in the background, but this is our little Santa topper that flies around our tree, and it's attached to the star up there. And he just spins around in a circle, and the cats every once in a while get up here and like to knock him down like he's king, like the King Kong or something.
But that's your little wreath. It doesn't take a lot of time. It's pretty simple.
That took you what, maybe 15 minutes tops?
Right, and most of that, I found one of the things. Most of that was trying to figure out what color to use next and that. So if you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. If you are compelled to send us something, our P.O. box is listed below. Don't forget to keep it safe, keep it sexy, and we'll see you next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans. Bye-bye!
Bye!